In this video, we're going to take a look at Poweradspy. So basically, this tool will allow you to explore ads so you can discover any ad type from the industry of your choice. You can effortlessly view ad analytics and decode their strategies, and you can optimize your marketing strategy. So here you'll be able to see all the businesses basically that are running ads. You can see their ads, their analytics, and much more. So as you can see here, there are over 350 million ads listed, and as you can see, they add ads daily, around 250,000 ads per day, and you can basically see here all the ads that are running. So basically you can see your competitors. Now if we go to pricing, we can see that they have different plans. So here when we sign up, we have the basic plan, standard, etc. So it starts at $70 per month up to $400 per month. Here you're gonna have to simply create your account, and then you can access the platform. Here you have, as you can see, you have the networks where basically they you can see the ads for. So the cheapest one you'll be able to see from Facebook, Instagram, Google, and YouTube. But if you want to see Pinterest, LinkedIn, etc., you're gonna have to upgrade. So basically that's all for today's video, guys. I really hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.